Hello guys, thank you for joining me today. My name is Oyugi K and I'm on a journey to travel Africa. I am mapping every African country and I go to the small villages to map and add data, and that is my way of traveling Africa. And through that I get to know the culture, know even how people are living there, and learn something, educate myself and learn. Ignorance is a disease. Today I am mapping Uganda. I have friends from Uganda. Oh, drum rolls, drum rolls, drum rolls. By the way, before the drum rolls, I have a Youth Mappers t-shirt today. White makes someone feel vibrant. And Youth Mappers wristband, but this is not only a wristband, but it's also flash disk. So, cause my hair is not that big, let me just put it here on display. Yeah, I was like, I'm feeling, oh, you mapper things. Yeah. Next time maybe I'll display something else. I have lots and lots of youth mapper stuff. So, today, wristband and of course t-shirt. Yeah. So I'm going to map Uganda. I've been wanting to go to Uganda. Uganda is the first country that I wanted to visit in Africa outside of my country, Kenya, but I didn't. But still, I've not gone to any other African countries. Come on. Because I've only landed in Ethiopia. Yeah. I didn't enter Ethiopia, just landed. I was in the airport all along. So still, I'm coming to Uganda one of these fine days. So I have friends from Uganda, and drum rolls to Michael. Who else? I know Henry. Michael doesn't know I know Henry, but I know Henry. And I don't know. Let me not say who Henry is, but he's also a youth mapper. Who else do I know? Oh man, I know Kakoza Aziz. I know. Oh man, this other name is so difficult. It was so difficult for me, but I can't remember you. But yeah, drum rolls. And there is this rare lady from Uganda. Oh my god, I'm starting to forget you. The drum rolls. Yes. Anyways, enough of the excitement. So I don't know any place in Uganda, but there is this video of Bodemaya I watched. It is, they were in Munyonyo. I don't know Munyonyo. Maybe I should visit Munyonyo. Munyonyo is this nice place in Uganda, and hey, I've never been to Munyonyo. Why not travel to Munyonyo today by a map? Come, let's go. I don't know if I should be recording or you should go and see Odemaya's video. No, let me record just a little bit, because editing is not that easy. It takes some time. So yeah. Munyonyo. So what I did, because I noticed the OpenStreetMap database, the searching bar, so that like that efficient. Maybe let me see, maybe today it will come. Munyonyo, no results. Maybe I don't know if it's my data which is loading slowly. I don't know if the search word. Yeah. They have village Munyonyo, Kampala, Central Region, Uganda. Village Munyonyo, Mpigi, Central Region, Uganda. Let me go with the second one. taking me to a plain grass, some plain stuff. Let me record this. Oh God, please give me time to edit. Amen. Oh, let me see. It is Windows Alt R. Yeah, recording. So Munyonyo is not even a building, but anyway, it's okay. Maybe that is the center. Oh no. Oh, and then actually another reason why I wanted to visit Uganda is because it's so green. So green. One of the things or the disadvantages of Uganda now, it has cloud cover because it has rain. That's why it's so green, and then you can't map well because of the cloud cover. Man, like these clouds are too many. Munyonyo. Maybe I should kwani Munyonyo this Munyonyo, people don't live in Munyonyo. What? Oh yeah, people live in Munyonyo. Nice. Now, you know, I always map places where there are many buildings. And I'm like, people don't live in Munyonyo. Zooming in well, there are buildings, some buildings there. So yeah, I don't know actually. I don't know why my tab is not like panning properly. I don't know. I still don't know. I don't know even why this is not active. It can do this, but it can't zoom. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. Hey, you're working with engineers, Bwana. We have to zoom you. We have to zoom you in well. So one thing I'm noticing in Munyonyo, it is, first of all, I think it's very green. It has a lot of clouds. Another thing, not many people live there. Scarcely populated. And I think it's a small village, which is really good that I'm editing in a small village. I don't know, people in Munyonyo, please comment down below and tell me if what I'm observing is true. But I know Munyonyo there is also like an high end, but this is not what I'm observing here right now. So maybe where I am is the village area. I know there are some nice buildings there. Yeah, I know. It's the side of Uganda. They don't show us, according to Wodemaya. So what I'll do is I'll kind of pause this video here, map kidogo, then come back and tell you what else I discover about Munyonyo in Uganda. So I am just from mapping Kampala, Uganda, a place called Munyonyo. I mapped near Munyonyo Parents Academy. Maybe it is the school that was started by some parents. I don't know. I have an idea. If you have an idea, comment down below. Let me know these things. And I hope to visit Munyonyo. One of the things I noticed about Munyonyo is that it has a lot of cloud cover. When I zoomed in, the other areas didn't have clouds, but this one had clouds. I'm like, why? Why? I don't know. Maybe they have some good blessing. But do you know Kampala is on a highland? Maybe some relief, rainfall, small geography here and there. You can explain that. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the height above sea level. I don't know. Stuff. So yeah, I am happy to have mapped Kampala, Uganda, Munyonyo to be particular. So this is actually kind of the central part of Uganda. I don't know why I knew Kampala is in the center of Uganda, but I don't know if I actually knew if Kampala is near Lake Victoria. I don't think I knew this. But yeah, Kampala is near Lake Victoria. So I know you know this. I know you. I'm the only one who didn't know this. So tomorrow, I don't know where I'm mapping, but we are gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye. Comment in the section down. Comment in the comment section down below. Comment in the down. Hey.